oodles of noodles. Take one. You recording?
Yeah, I did already.
Okay, we're gonna test out the noodle recipe from the Momofuku cookbook. No, you're showing the wrong one. And from the Modernist Cuisine cookbook.
Modernist Cuisine cookbook versus Momofuku. So we're gonna make the Momofuku alkaline noodles, aka ramen. It has 6 to 8 portions. Maybe we'll just divide by half.
Yeah,
So you get 3 portions out of that.
Yeah. So it says bread flour or 00 pasta.
Bread flour it is.
And then like 4 ounces. Because you can hear the flour. K2s look so much nicer than Robin Hood's. I mean, I guess you couldn't be surprised.
Don't tell Robin Hood that.
What's he gonna do? Baking soda and potassium carbonate or potash, whatever. Christmas cookie and stuff. How long do you like your noodles, Queenie?
We do feed her noodles.
Not yet, right?
I think so.
Longer. I cut now?
Sure.
What do you think? Is that long enough?
So? Yeah.
Kind of like. We have a little bundle. Just gonna do this.
Action!
Okay, so we're trying the Modernist recipe now, sort of, except we don't have semolina flour, so we're using durum flour. And so right now I'm just combining our all-purpose flour, durum flour, vital wheat gluten, and salt. And then we're gonna put those into the machine and add our wet ingredients and see what it looks like. But we need another pan too to catch the.
What?
We need another pan to catch the noodles.
Yeah, okay.
Another pan. Now we're gonna combine the wet ingredients too. Before we add them, there are a lot of egg yolks in here. We will probably not make this again.
So we'll probably not make this again.
Well, we'll see. Right. There's a lot of egg yolks. Unless we, like, rice goes on some egg white kind of rampage and then we have a lot of egg yolks left over. Look at the color on these though. Holy.
Or if we start raising our own chickens.
Yeah, then that's okay. So, shout out to Mom, please.
Kasumi Farm.
Please start raising your own chickens. Oh, this wasn't what why wouldn't make sound like that?
What? Let's clean the background.
So our wet ingredients. I think this is the first time we've seen oil in a pasta dough since we've been trying out this machine. Hey. Whoa, I don't know. But is the egg yolk just like a trick to make it look more like ramen? Like, is that why we just use 5 eggs so it'll be more yellow? Or is it really gonna make it that much more like chewier?
I guess we'll taste it. Well, there's not a whole lot of water, right?
Yeah.
I mean, there's yolks.
Yeah.
You'll get your protein here.
Stop with my protein. No, they're not. No, they're not. No. They're like consistent lengths. Oh, nice bundle. Sorry.
It's time to cook our noodles. We're gonna cook the Modernist for 30 seconds. Count, Megan.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We can just look at the timer.
You can't see this, but she also set a timer for 1 minute.
Are you looking at the camera? I don't know.
Yeah, roughly 30 seconds. Is that 30 seconds?
Well, it's 30 seconds on there, but I don't know when you push it.
Oh my god, Megan.
Well,
This is why you're supposed to be
is.
counting. You.
That's what I'm saying. Test is ruined.
Okay, now you can set this. This is David Chang. 5 minutes.
Test. 5 minutes.
That we might have to set a timer up for.
Okay.
That's her 1 minute timer.
Shut up. Turn on some commentary there.
Look at those noodles. I almost said the word.
It seems wrong to cook them for 5 minutes, but
That's
there's
what David Chang
a
said.
reaction happening. I'm pretty sure. We're pretty sure. 2 teaspoons flour, 1 tablespoon oil.
5 minutes is up. I'm gonna strain that and see.
Well, we're trying these on camera. Okay.
We're not on camera, just this.
Yeah, whatever. Oh.
Hmm?
I think we used semolina puree.
Mm-hmm. Which one do you like better?
I was expecting these to be chewier.
But maybe I didn't boil it enough.
Or maybe well they're too much. I know you said 5
Yeah.
minutes, but you said it got firmer before. Like these are pretty.
Queenie noodles.
These have more of the chew I was expecting.
Yeah.
Hmm?
What's your conclusion? They're both good?
I don't know.